Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have a package here from Riley Blake Designs, and if I'm not mistaken, it is another collection of Christmas fabric. I did not get the entire collection. What I did was I chose, I think it was like 7 of my favorite in the collection, and I will at the end of the video give you like what the whole collection is. So if you like these, you can get some of them from me, or if you like some of the others, I'm sure there are going to be plenty of people on Etsy who are going to have this available, or also in your local quilt shop, because they are starting to open up again, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna get this open if I can get the little kitty cat off the top of it. Jellybean, hey buddy, can mommy open the box? Can I? When I'm done, you can have the box. Yeah, let's get it going. Let's open it. Okay, he might move when I get started. Thank you, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I promise you're gonna get the box. It's all about compromise, right? Okay. All right. The boxes sometimes arrive a little beat up. I don't know if you're seeing this, but it's like it was like all cracked down. Okay, so this collection is called Warm Wishes. I don't remember who the designer is, but I will put that here on the video, and also it'll be in the title, so that way you know who it's from. But it is Riley Blake, and again, it's called Warm Wishes, and I just thought it was super cute, and I think it's also going to appeal to a lot of people. So let's get going. I'll show you each one. Let's see, it might say on here who the designer is. Oh, it does. Hold on, it's a little bit wobbly in here. It's by Simple Simon. Warm Wishes by Simple Simon for Riley Blake. And this one, this is in the Sky colorway, and I'm going to show it to you. It is really super cute, guys. I think what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to give options of a fat quarter bundle, or you can get half yard bundle if you'd like. I'd even go up to a yard bundle. I'll figure out some kind of way to put that in there so that everybody can get it. I think it's super cute. I hope you agree. Okay, now this is in the white colorway. And this one is like a toss of Christmas things, such as sweaters and mittens, hot cocoa, gifts, scissors, ornaments, candy canes. There's even some thread, or no, it's ribbon. Sorry, a ribbon. I don't know, there's just something about this one. You guys, you know, I love the holidays. Halloween is #1, Christmas is a close second, and when I find the fabrics that I love, oh my goodness, I love these because they're just so fun. Okay, so this is a blender, and this is in the Redwood colorway. And it's a nice toss of gifts. Okay, and then I have another gifts, and this one is in stone. I really like this one personally. I just love how gray and pink go together. I just love it. So this one is probably my favorite blender. Oh my goodness, wait till you see this one. This is also in stone, and it is a snowman toss. And I love whenever they have a toss too, because it's so easy to work with, you know, like you don't have to worry about a directional fabric. It's still super cute. And oh my goodness, look at those little snowmen. Oh my goodness. I love them. Okay, and then we got the snowman again, but this one is on the sky colorway. There it is. I mean, you'd have to be like under a rock not to like this little snowman. That's probably not the correct analogy I'm looking for, but okay, and this is the last one. This is a candy cane toss in pink. Let's get a shout out for the pink. Woo! There it is. And yes, I've got 7 different fabrics, and I'm going to, I'll put them in some bundles. You guys can decide if you want a fat quarter bundle, a half yard bundle, 1 yard bundle. I'll even, you know, maybe we'll have it go up higher than that. But we'll, you know, these are really great for Christmas, and everybody has different tastes. So I do have a few collections that I have coming in, and right at the end of this, I'm going to make sure that you see the entire collection. So if there's another colorway you like, I'm sure you can find it somewhere else. And I am so grateful for you guys watching these. I'm just letting you know what's in the shop. And thank you so much just for watching. Love you guys. Mwah.